What's going on and welcome back to Knife Life BDC. Gonna do a quick unboxing. I got a couple knives in today from White Mountain Knives, and I love White Mountain Knives because they send me a couple knives every now and then to check out, just ones I'm kind of being curious about or just wanting to, obviously like I said, just check out and see and just get a feel for them. So they send me like a couple that I choose, which is awesome. I love that. I love to, because if I like them enough, obviously I'm gonna, I guess, buy them probably. I'm really curious about this one. If this one's as good as I think, as good as I'm hoping it is, I might get one. I don't know yet, but I like that I'm able to do that, and plus I can get the reviews out and stuff like that, and show you people like if you guys are curious about them and everything. It can be kind of like a close-up look of them. First off, I wanted to check out this one. This one is from I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. I think it's Tuya. It's Tuwa, Tuya. Um, I kind of wanted to check this one out because I kind of like the way it looked, and there's a couple other reasons. Obviously, I'll get into it as I go. But it is a Colin Mason Pierre design. He's one of them that designed it. There's another individual who also designed it. I can't remember their name. Um, but Colin helps Kevin from Left EDC. They have come together and they do Devo knives. So I have a few Devo knives, and I'm a big fan of Devo. And Colin also did help design this one, obviously. So let's get into it and check it out. It is the Tuya Mut. I've seen some reviews on it lately, and that's kind of why I was wanting to check it out and everything, just to see what the hype's all about. Let's see, did any more information or anything else come with it? Nope, nothing else came with it. Kind of odd, but I don't know. Oh well. Usually like a sticker or something like that on a box, like obviously right there, saying what they are. I do really like the case, so that's kind of cool, like a little small Pelican case. Obviously that's great for your knives. Obviously, if you just want to carry it in that and everything like that. Obviously, like if you're going on vacation or something like that, and you want to take 2 or 3 knives, something like that, plop those in there. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I like that. I like that. So that they get an A+ for that. I like that. But let's get into the actual knife at hand. Like I said, this is the Tuya Mut, and it is a flipper, and it also has your thumb hole right there, your finger hole. Um, Pretty smooth to open up so far. Let's reverse flip. Reverse flip opens up perfect. Oop, maybe not. Oh, come on now. I know I can do it. Come on. We can do it. My goodness. I know I can. There we go. I don't know what was going on just then. I was struggling. I was outside. Well, I guess outside in the cold. It was pretty windy today, and I don't like the cold. I don't work real well in the cold. My body doesn't. So my fingers are a little bit chilly still. So it probably would have been smarter to let my hands warm up before I did a video. But yeah, it opens up real nice. I like that. Okay, there we go. So I'm good now. I'm good with the thumb flip. Um, it opens up real nice. I'll do like that. And what I also really wanted to check out was the carbon fiber. It is I haven't actually. I think it's the fat carbon fiber. I know a lot of other knives have that. It's getting popular. And I think this is, I think they call it like the green yellow, but I don't know if it's maybe certain people call it the toxic green or something like that. I'm not sure, but I know on the website of the White Mountain Knives it says that it is this, the green yellow one. Super nice looking. That's what they see, Colin Mason Pierre. That's his design or his insignia, I guess. His little doodad. And there is right there is the DW for the. I can't remember his name. And that bugs me that I don't know his name, but he also helped design it. And there, it is the S90V right there. And both of these are going to be S90V, which is kind of why I kind of wanted to check it out because I haven't had any experience with S90V yet, and I've heard great things about it. So why not give it a check? The carbon fiber feels pretty cool. I like how they have the inlay because I guess that's why they call it a fat carbon fiber because it does come out. It's not like flush with the handle. It's kind of like obviously fat looking. As stupid as that just sounded, but it is titanium also with the carbon fiber insert. I don't really know what's up with this. That's not too bad. I could do without that, but oh well though. It looks like it. I'm looking inside right now. It's got a couple of screw holes for it. So I don't know if that's how you somehow get it off or something. I'm not really quite sure. Now I'm paranoid. I don't want to take it apart because I don't know if it's going to be a pain in the butt to get it back together. But oh well. Oh, I just saw something. It's actually, I forgot that this is a limited run. And on the inside of this, I don't know if you can get right there. It says 40 of 107 Tuya. Right there. There you go. So that's kind of cool. I forgot that it was a limited run. So that's kind of cool. It really does feel pretty good in the hand. Like, it's not too bad. This kind of is your little stopper right there to keep you from slipping. I have smaller hands, obviously, so my hands are at the end of it. So I guess, like, if you have a bigger hand, you might have a little bit of wiggle room at the end. Not much of a choil, though. For sharpening, I don't know how well that would do. Yeah, there's not much room for it, so I don't know if I like that real well. It is a sharp looking knife. I really do like the way it looks. I love the pocket clip, the titanium pocket clip. Definitely pretty tight. Not going to come out of your pocket or anything anytime soon. Excuse me. I do love the backspacer too. That's really nice. I love the titanium backspacer. It looks great on it. I just don't. I think the way it looks sharp all the way around. But I really do like I think it's the drop point blade. One thing I did notice, it's got no jimping on it at all. I don't know if I like that. I like my jimping a little bit. Yeah, because that's kind of odd feeling. I don't know why. It makes me think that it feels naked in a way. As stupid as that might sound, it does. Like, it kind of feels naked just without the jimping on there. Just, it's real smooth. I don't feel like it's gonna slip out of my hand though. Like, it does. Like, that carbon fiber does feel pretty good in my hand. Um, and it is obviously pretty light. Like, obviously, like, it's not real heavy. Like, I don't know the exact weight, obviously, but it's not bad. Like, I don't even know. Like, I would. Obviously, these are different knives. This has titanium on it. I don't know. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I'm weird about knives, I guess. I don't mind that they're heavy though. So, but this, it doesn't feel heavy, which is really weird. Like, it feels like lighter than it looks. But very smooth knife. I like the way it looks. I'm gonna have to really carry this around and check it out, but it does look pretty nice. I like that. But let's get into the other knife real quick. Oh, and I don't know if I said it is obviously liner lock. Was there anything else really? I'll obviously go in more in depth in the final review and all that type of stuff. But it's nice. I like that. It's sharp, and it's not that. It's not overly large though either. I thought it was going to be bigger than this. I thought it was going to be longer, but it's really not. Like, it's actually short. Huh. As you can see right there, that's the Pyrite Warncliffe. Yeah, I thought it was going to be a little bit longer than that, so it does feel a little weird. But let's check out that other knife real quick, though. That's the one I really, really want to check out. All right, let's get that back in there. Get out of the way. All right. This is the, excuse me, the I don't know how to pronounce it. AM8? AM8? I don't know. Because on the box it says, well, I guess it does say it right there. But on the website it has this for the first of it, and then it has AM, then the number 8. So I don't know how to do that. How to pronounce that, I guess, exactly. But let's get into this thing. This, by the way, is the Flicks. I think they just came out with the Flicks too. I'm not sure about that. Don't quote me on that, because that may be wrong. Yeah, I saw this and I thought it looked so nice looking. It looked good. I guess you'll see why here in just a second. All right, let's check it out. Oh. Kind of fancy. Got your nice little cleaning cloth right there, your microfiber cloth. Alright, got a nice little card right there just with their information on it. Okay, that's kind of cool. Cool. Is that it? That might be it. Anything underneath? Yep, we are good. Alright, let's check this baby out. And it is QC Pass. Alright, let's get that at it. Oh, nope, it doesn't go like that. It goes like this. Alright. This is the AM8 Flicks. I kind of was drawn to this because front flipper. I don't know why I love the front flipping action. Now this one is bigger though. I thought these were both going to be a little bigger. That one I was kind of surprised. I thought it was, but it wasn't. This one actually is kind of big. I love the way it looks. I love that carbon fiber inlay right there. That's nice. That little silver. I have a QSP one like that. Like the Plus. It looks just like that. I love that look about it. That's a really nice looking knife. I like that. Titanium pocket clip. And that's a good size one too. And I love it. This looks nice too. The milling and everything on it. That looks pretty sharp. I like that. Let's open it up. And that was pathetic. Let's try that again. There we go. Alright, that opens up pretty nice. Let's try the reverse flip. Let's try it again, make sure it's not fluke. Yep. And thumb. There we go. Oh, nope. That opens up pretty nice. I like that. Try it again. Oh, it feels pretty good. This is also S90V. As you can check it out right there. Let's a little bit of oil here. Oh, what is that? Is a mark or something? Oh, there we go. Sorry, I was out of focus. Let's focus it on the smudge or something, whatever it was. It was something black on there. But there you go. It is S90V. I really love the way this looks. And it is, like, it's a bigger knife, too. Like, it's not bad. Like, you can choke up a little bit. It does have jimping, which is always a plus for me. It is just back here a little bit. So if you're back here, if you've got your hand right there, obviously you'll hit the jimping. You can kind of choke up on it, obviously, right there, but no jimping right there. So it is kind of smooth to the thumb, you know. Not bad, though. I really like that. Like, this looks, I really like the way that looks. That looks nice. Like, it's very sleek looking. I love the blade and everything like that. It looks like it is definitely a slicer. And obviously you got the liner lock. Apparently I got 2 liner locks. I didn't even realize that for some reason. Yeah, it opens up really nice. And this is under 200 bucks. They actually make in a couple of knives. Honestly, I want this. I want to buy a couple other knives by them. Obviously, I don't have all the money in the world to do that. So it's kind of hard to, but I like this one better than that one. Nothing against that one. I like that this one is a little bit bigger, though, in my hand. Not to say that's a bad knife. I just like the feel of this one a little better. And plus, the front flipping action, like, I'm always all about the front flip. And I really like the titanium and the carbon fiber. And that was a really good touch that they did with it. Is there anything else really to say? Nice little, it does have like a little bit of texturing on the back spacer right there. Pretty nice looking. Yeah, I really like this. Kind of make the video kind of a little short, not go into any more detail, but that is nice. I'll have more information in the reviews, so look out for them. I'm going to carry these a little bit, check them out, and see how they kind of do. But, yep, I'll let you know on the flip side. But, yeah, if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, just leave them in the comment section. If you like the video, just obviously give a thumbs up, please. I greatly appreciate it, and it helps the algorithm out. And that's all I've got. You guys have a great rest of your day.